Alright guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria Limited. If today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome to you. Don't forget, in here what we do, we learn and we share ideas as well. Okay, if you want to be a skincare guru, you want to learn how to make whitening products, glowing products, or facials, or you want to learn how to make scrubs, moisturizing lotion and all that, you can always contact us. Or you want to learn how to make air fresher, or you want to make hand wash and all that, you can contact us and register on our school. We will teach you all that. Okay, and again, the whole training idea is for you to become somebody in life, all right, not just to come deceive people, not that at all. Then again, don't forget that we ship everywhere. If you want us to really ship to you in the US, Canada, UK, Europe, Asia country, around the globe, you can place order. Okay, we will ship them to you in 4 days. You will get your item in 4 days. We use FedEx and DHL and whatever, all right, professional companies to ship them for you. And also, if you want as a wholesaler, you want to buy in bulk, in quantity, like we always send it to you. We'll give you a wholesale price as well. All right, so that is that. Don't forget to check us on our Instagram handle. Please go and check us out on our Instagram handle at Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Also on our Facebook as well, Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. All right, even TikTok, we are there, Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. All right, just go check us out there. Any of the products you want us to get, if it is oil, we are there for you. All right, so a quick one, I want to make a review on some particular products. And not just to make the reviews only, but also differentiate between them with my own products. All right, now you see this body wash, this Vid Gold body wash. You all know this Vid Gold body wash. Now let's go via the things be written on it. Okay, it said super whitenizer. Ooh, super whitenizer. I love that because the original, that is one thing about my product. They are all original. When you want to get a real original product, track me. All right, so it said we in here say is a whitening and firming shower cream. Some people might say gel, some people might say wash. All right, they are all the same. It said with kojic acid, vitamin B3, then vitamin C and alpha arbutin. Wow, made from plant extract. Wow, it's lovely, very lovely, with all these being written, very lovely. All right, so the question is, how many shades are you looking for, and do you really think, is it faster? Is a question. Though somebody asked me the question, like try to compare them with my lotion. She will try to buy. He said she will try to buy my black soap and my black body wash and this. She was trying to, and I told her, first of all, buy this. She has plenty money. That's why she went for it. She bought this and she used it because she was just all over on this. Was saying this. They've told her, she watched review. I said, okay, buy this. She buy this. She used it and she used it. It's nice. Not that it's not nice. It's nice. So she uses it like she's waiting for that kid.com to get white. She didn't get that, So what I'll be telling you guys, not because you see in a lotion or in a mostly all these counter products, right? this foreign product. Not because you see on the kind, like it written on the whitening, so meaning it's gonna be white, or it have to be white within. You could be using it within months. Maybe you can give you one shade, right? But I want be sincere. Now this one is our Whitening black soap. All right, Whitening black soap. We have the soap itself, the block form, you know, and we have the wash. So this is the wash. Now I now asked the question to the lady, so because later I sold this for her, and within short time she, you know, color came out and all that, what she needed, she got it. So I was not asking her, so would you say this our soap now with this one, or which one do you prefer? Talk truth. I never talk finish, she said that this one. All right, so I don't need to go carry any celebrity and sell my products. That is a plus anyways, then an added advantage. But when I know my product is working, it's gradually. You will know, you will come to know. You will know me one day. It's gradually, you will know me one day. The time when you try my product, you will know me one day that, oh, so I don't need to carry any celebrity, oh, give to some blogger, give to some this, some, for them. No, I'm a celebrity myself, and I'm a blogger myself. I'm a vlog, I'm a ulog, I'm a c-log, all the log. I'm myself. I'm a presenter. All right, so I don't need to go give anybody, and my lotion could, or whatever, my product will always take good of me, like when you start using it, because you that use it, you will bring another person, will bring another person, will bring another person. All right, so in as much the big names and all that, I prefer them for those of us who want just to be mild, and that is very, very okay. This product is very, very okay, but mild usage, like. But if you want fast, quick result, you that don't have time, because I know my people in the UK, they will just say, we don't have time, we don't have to come put this one, come put that one. So this is what you have time for. This one, at least share you go bath now, be not go wash your body, be you won't come go, they go smell. You want to smell at your working place? No. So you will definitely use soap. But you using soap, for the fact that you're using soap, you want to get that sharp white, you will use this one. So go for this. So this one is a go. Ticket, bang, is a go, 100%. All right, this one is a go, but not as this one. All right, so take this Whitening shower gel, or Whitening body wash, or any how you want to call them. It's a wash, it's a body wash. All right, thank you. Now I have to do this again. You know, sometimes people just try to make themselves happy, you know, in one or two ways. They will just try to, yes, they try to convince themselves with what they told them, right? Once somebody could have just said, like, are you getting it? A lady actually called me, and she said she loved us, and she heard about this, like she asked me, is it true? I said, you can go through my channel, you'll see it. Small like this, but very expensive, right? So you can go through my channel and check, and you'll see if it's okay or not. So she went and she saw it. Oh, very, very okay, fantastic. Okay, she go and use it. But she now asked, can I get any other thing that is more faster than this? Like, you know, I told her, yes, why not? You know, you can get something that is more faster than that. We have a lot of you know, industrial serum. Like we have some use hot oil, some use bleaching, some use a lot of different. But so I introduced her to our blema oil, and she used our blema oil, and she found out that yes, that one is still okay. She used it. Are you getting it? So not that this one is not good, it's very, very good. Are you getting it? It's very, very good, but you can't compare it with all this. You can't compare this. Oh jeez, this is from Thailand, and I told you the procedure. I told you we went to Thailand and got this, because we all know what people need. They need chap. If you want something chap, That is why I'm telling you, don't compare citrus Thailand oil with all this. No. Citrus Thailand oil is a customized oil that you can use and use and use. In 1 week you see result. When I say in 1 week you see result, and you will see the result. Citrus Thailand oil, look at it. You understand? So it's my brand anyway. So that is that. So if you want to really get good oils, I've told you how to get them. Now the question again. So look at this. This fairness skin, because I have to any example comparison we're making it, we have to go straight to the fact. All right. So this fairness skin gold. This is another whitening, also lightening. All right. So the question is, Sarah, you said I should compare between this and this, and I told you, yes, this one you might have used it before, is working. Not that it's not working, but you can't compare it to this. The only thing I know that some people, they are allergic to carrots. So but other than that, you can't compare these two. No, don't. I'm not coming here to paint words for you. If you say go, I will tell you say go. If you say go, I will tell you. If you say go, I will tell you. But if it is no go, I will tell you no go. Because I wouldn't want, yes, this one is expensive than this, but this is a go. It's a go. All right. So this one is fast. That's what, let me use that word. Maybe you are not getting the idiomatic expression. This one is faster to this one. So don't say, I've used this, it's good. I've just done a special mixing promising now. It's good, but this is better than this. All right. Okay. We've talked about this before. So now I want to compare this with this one. Which one would you go for? This is a whitening, a lightening, constant usage. It will always light you, but it's slow. This one is just, it's not lightening. All right. So which one do you prefer for? So you moisturizer, you go for this. This still moisturize, but it's a lightening, so you can go for this for lightening. All right. So that is it. Which one would you say is the best? All are best. It's all by choice. What you think is good for your skin, so go for this. For if it's lightening, you choose, go for this. If you want to get moisturized, it's this. All right. So other than that, I think we've gone to the end of the class by still telling you about. So this is the black soap. I'm telling you, Whitening black soap, and this is the scrub also. So for those of us who have not been exfoliating, please try to know how to exfoliate. All right. So we've gone to the end of the class. For us that want to buy in wholesale, yes, you can contact me. A wholesale, you will get them. You will get it very cheap and original, fast and working firm. No side effect in all of our products. So thank you.